This hickory barbecue seasoning is great for pork, brisket, ribs, chicken, all kinds of meat. It's also good on vegetables. If you are grilling, baking, frying, or smoking, you don't want to miss this fantastic hickory barbecue seasoning recipe with one secret ingredient. Stay tuned. Instead of buying all those different spice rubs and seasonings, why not make your own at home? This homemade hickory barbecue seasoning is delicious as a seasoning, marinade, or rub. It has the perfect blend of spices, and I will soon show you the secret ingredient. I have 1.5 tablespoons of kosher salt, and you can use up to 2 tablespoons in this recipe to your taste, and you want to use kosher or sea salt. 1 teaspoon of sugar, and if you're making this right away or using this for grilling or smoking, you may want to substitute with brown sugar. 1 teaspoon of dry mustard. And here is the secret ingredient, 1/2 teaspoon of hickory smoke powder. And I'm not sponsored by this company, but it just happens to be the product that I ordered, and it works really well in this recipe. I will leave my Amazon link in the description box below this video. 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper, 1 teaspoon of celery salt, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of granulated garlic, and 1 tablespoon of granulated onion. I'm combining all the spices in my food processor and processing for about 20 to 30 seconds. This makes about 1/2 cup of Tess's hickory barbecue seasoning, and you can store in a lidded container. The hickory smoke powder really gives this seasoning a nice background hickory taste. Many hickory spice blends use hickory smoked salt, which adds a lot of saltiness. You can see the hickory smoke powder will go a long way, so you can make lots of Tess's hickory barbecue seasoning. If you want to spice it up, you can add some cayenne pepper for a kick. I've had this recipe for a number of years, and I've tweaked it to my taste. I use it mainly for baked chicken and chicken wings, but I know my grilling and smoking friends out there might like to give it a try on some of their cooking magic. I hope you give my hickory barbecue seasoning a try and leave a comment below on how you used it and how you liked it. And enjoy! If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!